We will explain the specifications of our engine carbon cleaning equipment and how to use it.
We have a manufacturing plant in Korea and manufacture equipment for automobile maintenance. Up to 1,000 liters of gas can be discharged per hour.
Describe the gas level. The amount of gas at gas level 1 is 100 liters per hour and is for bikes. The amount of gas at gas level 2 is generated for 250 liters per hour and is for a 1500 cc's engine. The amount of gas at gas level 3 is 700 liters per hour and is for a 2500 cc's engine. The gas level 4, the amount of gas is 1000 liters per hour and it is used in the engine of 2500 cc's or more. The operation is simple. Button to on. Select the amount of gas suitable for the vehicle type and press the start button.
4% KOH. If you put 1 in 20 liters of distilled water, it will be 4%. Hover on the right side and put it in empty equipment. It will be about 15 liters. This is to put in the makeup water in the middle of using the equipment. This button has 3 uses. Time can be adjusted by pressing lightly. Press and hold to display the number of times the engine has been installed. Press and hold again to turn the vibration sensor on and off. The vibration sensor is in the on position and is a safety device that turns off the machine when the vehicle is turned off when gas is released. The last feature is the automatic heater function. If only the electric plug is plugged in, the heater automatically turns on and off to prevent freezing. This is a distilled water. In winter you have to mix coolant. Thanks.